Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you join us for the first time, you're welcome. And if you're an old viewer, we love you. Thank you for always coming back. You're welcome. And now, before I continue, I want to make a shout out to Abba Sunday choosing watching from Abuja. I want to make a shout out to King Nikki. I want to make a shout out to Imade Gift watching from Sweden. Please let us also know where you're watching from so we can make a shout out to you also. Thanks for watching our video. Now today I will be making sandwich with peanut butter. Guys, if you've not tried this recipe, oh my god, you're missing. Like seriously, the taste is something else. Just make it like this way I made mine, and trust me, you'll come back to thank me. I gave it to one of my friend's mom and she loved it. Like she was talking about it almost all through. She loved it. She said it was simple and delicious. So guys, you need to try this. And if you're yet to subscribe to our channel, kindly do so. And don't forget to like and don't forget to comment. Also, don't forget to share. So now first you're going to like make the egg like scrambled egg. Then you can add your salt and pepper or anything you want to add on it, fine. Then next you're going to toast or heat your bread both sides. After that you're going to spread your peanut butter on the bread. Spread it on both breads. After spreading it on both breads, you're going to add your your egg on the bread. After adding your egg on the bread, you're going to add cucumber. Then you're going to add tomato. Then if you have ketchup or any cream you want to add to it, fine, no wahala. If you want to eat it like this also, fine, no problem. Anyway, it is still sweet anyhow you do it. As far as you do it like this, so if you do it another way, me, I don't know if I can tell you it's sweet, but try it like this and come back to thank me later. Please don't forget to let us know where you're watching from so we can make a shout out to you to thank you for always watching our channel. We love you. Please enjoy this video to the end. Have a nice day. Bye.